Hi, this is Kendra. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doodling for the first time, and at the end I'll show you how I journal. Okay, so let's get started. Technically, when I begin to doodle, it's because I want to add some clip art to my Etsy shop. So with the new year coming up, I thought I would just do 3 months of clip art here on this one sheet of hard cardstock. I do like to go in and sketch in with a pencil first. I'm just really not very good at freehand. So once I've drawn everything in, I go back behind and try to erase as much pencil as possible. Then the next step, just the black and white sheet, I scan into my computer, and then I work with it a little bit in Adobe Photoshop and break it into different files and different clip art pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and be quiet now, let you watch, and at the very end I have just a couple of minutes that I talk to you about the different journal books that I'm using right now. I hope you enjoy this, and thanks for watching. Now I just need to drop in March. Now here's what I was talking about earlier. I've been writing in a journal for about 30 years. I'm really old. But here's a hack, okay? I like to continually write on the right-hand side. So I keep writing on the right-hand side and then flip the book back over and start writing on the back side of each page. So I don't know if anybody else does this, but it's just easier for me. So that's my journal I keep in my purse, and it goes with me wherever I go. Then I found this at Joann, and it was black and white, so I put some color in the front of it. And these are just some very easy, quickie things that are going on. Here's a little romance journal. This is all about how I met my husband and, you know, how our marriage began. So I just wanted to get some of my memories down. This is a new planner I just got for Christmas. I love it. It's, you know, it's the year at a glance, month at a glance, week at a glance, and then a lot of extra pages for journaling and taking notes. So I am really looking forward to writing in this. And it's broken up into the 4 seasons. And on the very back end of this planner, it's got lots and lots of extra lined pages to do some writing. It was only $5.99 at Ross. So thank you so much for watching. Look for my upcoming video where I show you how I digitize and sell my clip art on Etsy.